What's up, guys? So today we have the Hunter C Air on the testing rig. And the reason I took it down from the fan barn is because I'm putting up some metal boxes so I could switch out the fans in there. And I had to take this one down to put up a box. So, yeah, here it is. Start it up on low. Just got a slight hum. And a slight wobble. Medium. I got this at Habitat for 40 bucks. I thought that was pretty good. It's also the first ever ceiling fan I bought from Habitat. And this is a plastic blade fan, so it's outdoor. That's why it doesn't have any vents either, not even on the top. And high. And spin down. And I did put up 2 boxes tonight, so they're the next fan. Well, I'm not going to tell you the next fan, I want to keep it a surprise. But there will be a next video tonight. And I have the feeling this is going to be a long spin down. Sorry, I had to step out of the room for a second. God, those blades are so shiny. It's reflecting the Christmas lights. That's how you can tell they're plastic. Alright, that was my Hunter C Air ceiling fan. Hope you guys enjoyed and are ready for more testing rig videos. Okay, goodbye.